Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering your bracketed exposures and making sure Photoshop sees them all. Load your RAW files or convert to 16-bit TIFF to preserve highlights and shadows. This gives you more latitude. Once done, go to File, Automate, Merge to HDR Pro, and select each bracketed image. Make sure to enable exposure and white balance as shot. This first step is about keeping maximum data and ensuring alignment, so you avoid artifacts later when you blend tones and detail. Now you merge and begin tone mapping to control the scene's dynamic range. In the Merge to HDR Pro dialog, enable automatic alignment if you shot handheld and use Remove Ghosts to fix moving elements. Tweak the exposure, highlight, and shadow sliders, plus the curve and vibrance. You're shaping the realistic look while protecting detail. When you click OK, Photoshop creates a 32-bit image. Convert it to 16-bit via image mode, then use exposure and curves for more refined local adjustments. Finish by refining local tones and cleaning artifacts so the image reads naturally. You should create adjustment layers with masks or luminosity masks to target highlights, midtones, and shadows. Dodge and burn non-destructively on separate layers. Merge a copy for sharpening, apply Smart Sharpen lightly, and run Camera Raw Filter for noise reduction. Export final outputs as 16-bit TIFF for prints or 8-bit JPEG for web. Troubleshooting tip: if halos or banding appear, reduce global clarity or re-edit from the 32-bit source to preserve smooth gradients.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.